The Soundcore P31i NC is also called the R60i NC depending on the region you are buying it from. It is currently sold for 35 USD on Amazon depending on discounts and availability. And I've also added the direct AliExpress and Amazon links in this video description. If you want to check it out for yourself, it's an affiliate link, so you are supporting this channel when you use our link at no extra cost to you. This is an in-depth review of the P31i NC. While this earbud does a lot of things already, there are some few decisions that might frustrate you depending on your expectations. So let's get down to business. The packaging is standard Soundcore. Inside you get the manuals, the charging case, the earbuds, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and extra silicone ear tips in multiple sizes. Finding the right ear tip is crucial here because the fit directly impacts your comfort. I have a mixed feelings about the charging case. The design language is very familiar, featuring a plastic rectangular build with rounded pebble-like edges and a flat bottom. It doesn't feel cheap, but it isn't premium either, and it is unfortunately highly prone to scratches. Given the price increase over the P30i NC, I expected a more refined finish. Size is the biggest issue. The case is noticeably larger than its predecessor, yet opening it reveals a lot of empty, unused space. Soundcore likely enlarged it to accommodate a bigger battery, but it still feels unnecessarily bulky. Additionally, Soundcore removed the built-in phone stand feature from the back of the case. That's one of the smartest features of the P30i NC. Now, losing it feels like a total downgrade. Note that while the case supports a lanyard attachment, one is not included in the box. The earbuds themselves look slightly more refined, sporting a glossier finish and a subtle curve. Also a twist that blends the budget R series look with the premium Liberty series. In terms of fit, once you insert and twist them into position, they lock securely and barely move. To unlock the features, download the Soundcore app from the Play or App Store. Log in, enable permissions, and turn on Bluetooth. The app usually auto-detects the earbuds the moment you open the charging case. Once connected, it displays the exact battery percentages of both the case and the individual earbuds. The P31i NC features adaptive multi-scene ANC that automatically adjusts to your environment, though you can also manually choose your cancellation strength. The multi-scene mode includes indoor mode, which focuses on eliminating background sounds like fans, AC units, and ambient voices. Outdoor mode reduces traffic and wind noise while keeping alerts and car horns. In terms of transport mode, it targets low-frequency engine drone during travel. The performance is impressive. Enabling full ANC heavily dampens traffic, distance voices, and cuts environmental distractions. There is also a normal mode, which I like because it avoids the ear pressure fatigue of extended ANC use. Transparency mode is surprisingly clear and natural, letting you hear your surroundings, conversations, and traffic without removing the earbuds. You can choose between fully transparent or vocal mode, which boosts voices but lets in more overall noise. Transparency also works in mono mode, using just one earbud. Wind noise reduction is also included to keep outdoor winds from ruining your calls. Soundcore nailed the spatial audio, which is rare for a budget earbud like this. When activated, you can choose between different modes. We have the music mode, which centers the vocals and widens the soundstage of the instrumentals. We also have the movie mode, which pulls both the vocals and instrumental to the center. And lastly, we have the game mode that pushes the entire soundstage to the front. Now, the app provides numerous EQ presets like bass booster, podcast, jazz, pop, and R&B, a custom EQ slider, and a preference test that builds a personalized EQ based on your listening choice. I personally prefer the default Soundcore signature EQ for its balanced tuning. Additionally, it features a ear ID sound test to assess your hearing thresholds. The app packs several unexpected bonus features. Safe volume. It monitors your decibel level in real time and lets you set maximum volume limit. Multi-device connection allows simultaneous pairing to two devices. We also have fit test that uses the microphone to check if your ear tips are sealing properly. Prompt sound lets you toggle the audio feedback tone on or off. And one more thing, it supports the LDAC codec. You can enable it for high resolution audio, though it is off by default to save battery. Clarity and instrument separation are excellent. Music feels clean, organized, and detailed rather than being muddy, keeping vocals distinct from background instruments without introducing distortion across genres like pop, R&B, hip-hop, or podcast. The most divisive aspect is the bass. It is clean and controlled, but it lacks punch. It doesn't kick the way you expect. If you want heavy vibrating sub bass, you will have to activate the bass booster EQ profile. This is frustrating because the P30i NC improved on its predecessor's bass. The P31i NC feels held back here despite its excellent clarity and strong ANC. Testing the microphones are done next to heavy city traffic, horns, ambient voices, and noise yielded great results. The wind suppression worked effectively and keeping my voice distinct and clear without letting environmental noise overpower the conversation. Alright, this is the microphone test of the Soundcore R60i NC. Right now I'm inside the room, but there is still some noise coming from outside. So this should give you an idea of how the earbuds handle background noise and voice isolation. There are cars passing outside, people talking occasionally, and some environmental noise leaking into the room. I'm speaking in my normal voice right now without raising it too much. Let me know in the comment section how the microphone sounds to you. Does my voice sound clear? Is there too much background noise coming in? I'm also going to stay quiet for a few seconds so you can hear how much environmental noise the microphones are picking up. Now I'm speaking again at the same distance and same volume. Personally, I think the microphones are doing a decent job so far, especially considering the price range of these earbuds. The voice sounds clear and the background noise suppression seems to be working pretty well. The touch controls are highly customizable, supporting single, double, triple taps and long presses. Note, if your touch controls aren't responding out of the box, update the firmware via the app, which immediately fixes it for me. Also note that you cannot power the earbuds back on via the touch if they are turned off. You must place them back in the charging case to turn them back on again. You can assign gestures to control your volume, play pause, track skipping, ANC modes, and voice assistant. For calls, a double tap answers while a long press rejects or ends the call. The touch area is easy to locate and the earbuds play a very helpful confirmation tone whenever a touch registers. Battery performance is another high point. There is no LED indicator on the earbuds themselves. You can check the stats on your phone, but the case features a white LED that switches to red when the power is low. ANC on, you get about 8 hours per charge, 40 hours total with the case. With ANC off, you get 10 hours per charge and 50 hours total with the case. It also supports fast charging where a 10-minute top-up yields several hours of playback. Alright, the P31i NC step up from the previous P30i NC with a more secure fit, stronger ANC, improved battery life, and great low latency gaming, and also a unique AI translation tools. However, the larger case finish feels less premium. The missing phone stand is disappointing and the bass requires a little bit of EQ tweaking to satisfy these bass lovers. The Soundcore P31i NC is also called the R60i NC depending on the region you are buying it from. It's currently set for around 35 USD on Amazon. I've added the direct AliExpress link and Amazon link in this video description if you want to check it out for yourself. It's an affiliate link, so you're supporting this channel when you use it at no extra cost to you. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to drop your comments below telling me what you like and what you don't like about the Soundcore P31i NC. My name is Mr. Roy. This has been All Around Review. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.